So hi friends, so we already discussed about the basic terminologies of TOC, operations performed on string, clean closures and all. Now we are moving on to the detailed discussion of finite automatas. So the topic is finite state automata. So we all know that what is the meaning of finite? Finite means limited in number. വളരെ limited, നമുക്ക് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ limited in number. അതാണ് finite എന്നുള്ള word meaning. Then state mean condition at a particular time. അതായത് ഒരു പ്രത്യേക സമയം ഉള്ളൊരു condition at a particular time can be said like state. Automata means we can define it like a machine performing something based on certain rules or instruction. So with all this, what is actually finite state machine means? It is a simple machine with finite number of states. That is limited number of states or countable number of states. State means a condition on a particular time. Automaton means it's a machine performing certain instruction. So with all this together, a finite state machine is a simple machine that performing certain instructions or task with finite number of states. ഇനി ഫൈനൈറ്റ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ഓട്ടോമാറ്റനെ നമ്മൾ 5 ടപ്പിൾസ് വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ ഇൻ ഫൈനൈറ്റ് ഓട്ടോമാറ്റ ദ 5 ടപ്പിൾസ് ആർ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ക്യൂ മീൻസ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് എ ഫൈനൈറ്റ് സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സ്. സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സിന്റെ ഒരു ഫൈനൈറ്റ് സെറ്റ് ആണ് ആക്ച്വലി ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ക്യൂ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഫൈനൈറ്റ് സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സ് അതാണ് എന്ത് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ക്യൂ. Then sigma, we already know that it is the set of finite set of alphabets. Then delta. Before explaining delta, we need to know what is Q0. Q0 actually belongs to capital Q. In the sense, Q0 is a state from capital Q and also it is the initial state. Then capital F. It is a set of final states. That is it a subset or equal to capital Q? Okay, so capital Q is the finite set of states. അതായത് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സിന്റെ കളക്ഷൻ ആണ് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ക്യൂ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അതിലൊരു മെമ്പർ ആണ് ആക്ച്വലി Q0. Q0 belongs to capital Q and it is the start state of the machine. Then capital F is the set of final states and we can say it is a subset or equal to capital Q. And what is delta? Delta is actually known as transition function. Transition function. So the delta is defined like delta such that Q, അതായത് state cross sigma. In the sense, if we are taking a state from capital Q upon a symbol from alphabet, we will move on to another state. That is the transition function. So next is the type of finite automatas. Basically the finite automata is divided into 2 types, that is finite automata with output and without output. These are the 2 types of finite automata. Then finite automata with output is divided into 2, or there are 2 types of machine basically under the finite automata with output. The one is Moore machine and another one is Mealy machine. Then coming under the finite automata with output, we have deterministic finite automata, deterministic finite automatas, non-deterministic finite automata, and non-deterministic finite automatas with epsilon moves. So these are the 3 machines coming under the finite automata with output. So finite automata is divided into 2. One is with output and another one is without output. In with output we have Moore and Mealy machines. Without output we have DFA, means deterministic finite automatas, non-deterministic finite automatas and NTFA with epsilon moves. Then how can we represent this finite state machines? So we can represent using graphical representation. Then we have tabular representation, that is transition tables. Then mathematical representation, that is transition functions. So with these are the main three representation, or we are representing this finite state automata. One is graphical representation or diagrammatic representation. Then tabular representation, that is using transition tables. Then mathematically using transition functions. So the first one is graphical representation. Graphical representation means we are representing using a directed graph. Directed graph. So the speciality of the directed graph is we are labeling the direction. So here this is the example of representation or graphical representation. Here Q0 and Q1 are the states. The states are represented. Actually they are the vertex of the graph. So Q0 and Q1 are the states, and the states are actually considering as the vertex of the graph. Then 0, 1 are the input symbols, and they are indicated over a marked arc. So this is what I mentioned like directed graph. So here an arrow is indicated the direction. So states are represented using the vertex of the graph, and the symbols are marked over an arc with an arrow. Then here it is double circle which indicate the final state. Final state is represented using double circle, and Q0 is the start state which is indicated by using this arrow. Beginning il nammal oru arrow ittittaan actually start state ne indicate cheyyunnathu. Idu final state aanu double circle ullathu ezhunnathu. Graph inde vertex aanu actually states represent cheyanayittu use cheyyunnathu. ഇത് ഒരു ഏരോ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ആർക്കാണ്. അതിലാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇൻപുട്ട് സിംബൽസിനെ ഇൻഡിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് ആക്ച്വലി ദ ഗ്രാഫിക്കൽ റെപ്രസെന്റേഷൻ. ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് ട്രാൻസിഷൻ ടേബിൾ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ടേബുലാർ റെപ്രസെന്റേഷൻ. So consider this example. So while drawing the transition table, we have to write the input symbol on here. So 0 and 1 are our input symbol. States are mentioned here like Q0 and Q1 are the two states we have in this diagram. Then Q0 is the start state, so it is indicated with an arrow. Then Q1 is the final state, so a star is marked here to represent the final state. Then look at the moves, and moves are indicated here. So here Q0 state upon input symbol 0, what happens? It is moving on to the Q0 itself. A self loop is given. So Q0 on input symbol 0, it is moving on to Q0 itself. Then the state Q0, while giving 1 as input symbol, what happens to Q0? It's transition to state Q1, or it is moving on to state Q1. So write here the state Q1. Then Q1 on 0, it is moving on to Q1 itself. 1, the Q1 is also moving, or a self loop on the Q1 itself. So this is how a transition table is represented. We are writing states here, symbols on this side, and we are representing the moves. Means while giving 0 input symbol to the particular state Q0, what all moves are happening. Then while giving 1, the Q0 move to Q1. Then while giving 0 to Q1, it is moving to Q1 itself, and while giving 1 to Q1, it's moving to Q1 itself. This is the transition table representation. The last representation of finite state automata is transition function. So here take this example. For transition function we need two parameters, the current state and input symbol. So here if we are taking the current state as Q0 while giving the symbol 0, it's moving on to next state Q0. Q0 on giving 0, moving on to Q0. Q0 upon 1. Q0 upon 1, it's moving to state Q1. Next state is Q1. Q1 upon giving 0 or Q1 upon giving 1, it's moving to the state Q1. So this is the transitional function or mathematical representation of finite state automata. So in this video, we already discussed what are finite state automata. Finite state automata means it is a simple machine performing certain tasks based on some instruction with finite number of states. Mainly there are two types of finite automatas, with output and without output. With output we have Moore and Mealy machine. Without output we have DFAs, NFAs and NFAs with epsilon Morse. Then for representing finite automata, we have 5 tuples like capital Q means the number of states, then sigma actually the alphabet symbol, then delta is the transition function, Q0 is the start state and capital F is the subset of Q, that is the final states. Transition function is when states upon some input symbol from alphabet sigma move on to another state. Then finite state automata can be represented using graphical representation, transition tables and transition functions. So നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത ടോപ്പിക്സിൻ്റെ നോട്ട്സ് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ ലിങ്ക് ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അവിടെ നിന്ന് അവൈലബിൾ ആയിരിക്കും. പിന്നെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് സെക്ഷനിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്കത് ഇടാം, നമുക്ക് ക്ലിയർ ചെയ്യാം. താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.